waffle company. This place is cool, yeah? Yes. We got cheapest vaccine and
Vaccine.
Ellie. Yeah.
Did you cry?
Nah.
No?
It was a little sound.
So what are you eating?
I'm eating the Belgium chocolate and you the Kit Kat.
Let's hope it's good.
Alright guys, so this is my mom's. The brownie chocolate
Nutella.
No,
That's
brownie.
the Nutella brownie with ice cream scoop.
Okay. Here's my Belgium chocolate.
Yum.
And you've gotten that right? Let's try it. That's actually good. Yeah.
Does it taste like Nutella or Belgian chocolate?
Belgium. It's good. Okay, let's try it. Don't you forget to subscribe and like it. Comment. Subscribe and like. And comment below.